Welcome to Granny's Book Nook. Today's story is The Fall Festival by Mercer Meyer. It is fall. The leaves change colors. They turn yellow and red. We are driving in the car. We drive to the fall festival. Lots of critters are there. We bring a wagon to hold the things we buy. I see so many apples. I try one. Mom pays the man. Little sister has apple cider. She spills it. It is sticky. We go on a hay ride. There's not much hay. We ride through a field full of pumpkins. I watch a critter shoot pumpkins in the air. They go splat. It is fun to watch. We walk to the apple trees. I see critters picking apples. I get to pick apples too. Dad buys the apples that we pick. Mom will make many apple pies. Yum! I eat another apple. Mom says, "No more apples." Next, we look for a Halloween pumpkin. Some pumpkins are too small. Some pumpkins are too funny looking. I find the perfect pumpkin. It is big. Mom finds the perfect pumpkin too. It is not so big. We play the horseshoe game. We each get 3 throws. We can win prizes. I go first. I aim. I throw. I fly. Oops! I forgot to let go. Dad goes next. He wins every time. He wins a bunny for little sister and a bear for me. It is time to go home. Little sister pulls the wagon. I help her. Dad carries the pumpkin. Mom picks up the apples that we drop. I think fall is great, but I eat too many apples. Thank you for visiting Granny's Book Nook. To get more information for this book, check the description box below. Be sure to thumbs up this video. Click the subscribe button for the latest videos on Granny's Book Nook.